You're not missing deadlines because your machines are slow. You're missing them because your systems don't talk.
In manufacturing, time isn't just money, it's reputation, it's trust, it's delivery. And yet most factories lose it in silence between one missed update and another.
When a client sends an inquiry and your reply comes 48 hours later, that's not delay, that's decay.
Quality checks on WhatsApp, dispatch waiting for invoices, production planners waiting on raw material reports, and the CFO still waiting on last month's reconciliation. At ProGoXperts, we've walked factory floors where time was treated like scrap, until we automated what everyone assumed was unfixable.
Automation isn't about replacing your workforce. It's about giving them time back to think, to plan, to produce.
So, if your factory still runs on manual updates, you're not in Industry 4.0. You're still stuck in 1999. This isn't about technology, it's about time. Reclaim yours with ProGoXperts. Manufacturing industry leaders. It's time to act now. Shift smart.
ProGoXperts.